Hammertime.
What's up everyone, welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pen out of recycled skateboards. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. Alright guys, this turned out really cool. I will have this for sale on my website, which I'll just post a link to it right here on the screen. And if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Alright guys, until next time, happy building.